This is the third bag I have tested from Tolaccea. I love that they keep gifting me these bags as they are fantastic, exceptionally durable, waterproof bags with all of the pockets you can imagine. Now this is the 40-liter laptop backpack, and it really is designed to be both a regular duffel bag with handles on the side, on the top, even right here, so you could like hook it on your rolling suitcase, and then it turns into a backpack by simply pulling out these straps. They're wonderfully padded, reflective, fully adjustable, and these straps, once I disconnect them, actually just latch right on right here, and you're ready to go. Now, once those are latched on, you can see all the adjustments I'm talking about, and this pocket where you had those can be used as a bit of a hidden pocket. You also have this pocket right here that is pretty secretive as well. No one's going to get to this pocket when you have this backpack on you. It has its own interior pocket and a place for keys. I like hooking AirTags onto these personally, so I can always find my bag. And then this backpack has a really, really nice water bottle holder. It's very, very large, extra capacity, so you can really fit one of those extra large bottles in there. And then on the front, you have a few little things going on. You have this pocket right here, and this is such a great pocket as it's insulated, so you can keep hot foods hot or cold foods cold, whatever you want in there. And while I personally think of this as more of a heat absorbent material, this is also a waterproof pocket. So this is a perfect wet dry pocket. So if you have those dirty gym clothes, you want to throw in something separate from the main compartment, this would work great for that as well. Then it has these stitched lines on both sides, which are great for hooking on carabiners, hooking on anything extra you want. This bag also comes with a lot more bags inside it. Now I'm going to open up the top here, which is not a spot that you always need to open, as there's a much easier access for this that I'll show you in a moment. I'm going to pull out all the extra bags, and right there you can just see how easily this would be accessible if you do want to treat it just like a backpack. Nice large opening, you have your laptop storage. Now these bags can basically work as packing cubes. You have a slightly larger bag, and everything here has really nice zippers, nice handles, easily expandable, solid bag. You have a slightly smaller bag for more storage. And then you have this final bag, which can be your toiletry bag. It actually has lots of different little pockets and containers in it. And then it has this shoulder strap, which you can actually attach to any of these bags to turn them into their own little carrying bag. Great little bag to use for travel, for whatever you want. Very adaptable. Now let's get back to the backpack, as that is the key piece. I just showed you how you can open the entire bag from the top. Also on the top, you have a quick access compartment here. Just a nice little flat spot that actually still has a lot of space. And then you have this one little top pocket here. This is almost a fuzzy protective pocket. Really nice all around. This would be a great pocket for sunglasses. Something else you might want to keep protected right on top for easy access. And then there's the final big pocket. Now it has latches on the sides, and once you unlatch these, you will see the access to the main pocket. And this opens it up just like a duffel bag. And here you can see where that laptop access is, where you can just fill this up with clothing, with all of these bags filled with whatever items you have in them. And then on the top here, you have all of these different zipper panels. You have 2 large ones and 2 small ones. You have so much storage and so many options with this backpack. This bag really is made to do it all. I love how you can pack down the shoulder straps and pack it down tightly for travel, or take it to the gym, or take it on a hike, or wherever you're going, this backpack's going to work for you. The one last piece I want to show you is that it does have all the buckle down straps on all of the sides here. And what these are great for is tightening down the bag so you can make sure it fits as your carry-on luggage. You really can tighten it down all the way and make it one really flat bag. If you are looking for a backpack that can expand to a large size and pack down small, can hold your laptop securely, along with having tons of different compartments. You are going to love this Tolaccea laptop backpack. I know I will.